West Central Railway has set up a solar power plant at Bina in association with BHEL in June 2020. This is the first solar power plant on Indian Railways and probably the world to feed traction power directly. It feeds traction energy to 25 kV OHE line directly. The plant is spread over 10 acres. The plant has 5,800 solar modules mounted on 145 sets of modular mounting structure on 1,015 pile foundations. There are various benefits of solar power plant. This plant shall generate electricity which shall be supplied to railways free of cost. The plant shall generate 1.8 million units of electricity per year and shall be able to save 2,160 tons of carbon dioxide emissions every year. The plant is a proof of concept for Indian Railways for realizing the future dream of green Indian Railways by 2030.